Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be installing some COLIGHT LED off-road lights. Alright guys, I hope you're having a great day as always. Welcome back to the channel. And today COLIGHT was kind enough to send me some lights to test out and review. So that's what we're going to be doing, and we're going to be throwing them onto my off-road Civic. So let's get right into it and let's unbox these lights. A brand called COLIGHT sent these out to me and I'm excited to review them. They're very nice. They're going to be 3-inch light pods. They're actually nicer than the ones I have on my Ram, so I might be changing them to my Ram at some point, but wow, these look really nice. Ooh. Look at those, eh? So yeah, these are the 3-inch off-road light pods. These are so nice. We got all the hardware coming with it as well. As you can see, even an Allen key, which we're gonna need because I didn't bring any. So should be pretty straightforward with the install here. We got 2 of these. Obviously there's another one here. Got some nice decals to go with. They're definitely going to go on the Civic. We're going to rep the brand. This is the wiring harness I'm going to be using today. This is just, it's like one you can buy, just like a kit, the switch there. So I would suggest getting one of these if you're going to be installing. It makes your life so easy. So it looks like it's just pretty straightforward. Where is it here? There, right there, like that. You're going to go on the sides like that, just a bolt through each side there, and it'll make your mount. Voila, you got yourself a pod light. It's got a little, if you look in here, you don't need to hold a wrench on it, which is nice. And it's a simple setup. Our Allen bolts there on the side. We got a normal washer, then a lock washer on both sides. And then same down here, we got our bolt and we got our washer, lock washer, then our nut. That's what's gonna go through the hood of the Civic. So I'm choosing to drill my hole right through here. That way I can get the bolt through there. Make the hole bigger, just like that. We're gonna pop it through. Boom. Oh, that's so sick, guys. Screw it on. Oh, that's so sick. Super easy install too. We're gonna go onto the other side here. There they are. They're all both on. They're not fully in place yet. We got some adjusting we can do. But look how good these look. I just eyeballed it, no measuring, because we don't really do measuring on this channel. And it looks perfect. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna grab our wiring harness and we're gonna start fiddling with the wiring. Before I do the wiring, I just wanna say thank you so much to COLIGHT for trusting me with these lights and sending them out to me. And I really appreciate that. So guys, first thing I'm gonna do is just test if these even work, if this harness even works. Because it's been a while. It was in a different vehicle, so I'm just gonna double check. You can see, so that's off and that's on. So it is working. Got it all sorted here. We got our leads here. Now what I normally do is I actually put these ends on them, because then I can remove them and do whatever I want. Run up to Rona real quick and grab some females, and we're gonna throw them on the lights. And then we can literally just plug and play this whole thing. Watch this, really instantly. Holy, I'm super quick on that, eh? So we got the ends we want on the lights. And this kit was like an insulated one, so it's like a tight fit, which is perfect for off-roading. So these go right into there. There's that blue one there. I went inside, I can see it, and it has some room. So we're gonna pop that grommet and run these wires through it to our switch and then pull it all the way through. Guys, we got it through. Just gonna probably run it into there like that. Mint. And now, all that's left to do, guys, is plug it all up and see if it works. And then kind of once we know it works, we're gonna tuck all our wiring. Obviously it looks like garbage right now. So we're doing a test here. Let's see if they fire up from the inside of the vehicle. Oh, geez, I just went blind. Oh, baby. Those are freaking bright. I honestly can't even look at them, especially when you come up front here. The last steps here are going to be just wiring, tucking the wiring harness, getting it all set, zap strapping it, all that stuff. And then we'll take one final look and one little overview of these lights we just put on. We got all our wiring sorted. It's a little bit of a mess right there, but that's all extra wiring. To the battery, we got our leads at the back running into our COLIGHT off-road lights. And let's take a final look at this stuff all done. These lights are very bright, and I definitely would consider buying them because they're very nice lights so far. I'm gonna be getting some night shots for you guys, hopefully, just to see how bright these really are, but right now they're blinding in the day. Okay, so we're at the Civic at nighttime, firing up just the headlights. Woo! Very bright. That is awesome. Very bright. It's so bright. Damn. That is some good light for the Civ, that's for sure. They are really easy to install, and I've been working with the company. They have been amazing and just very easy to deal with. So that's a big part of it for me too, is like, how is the company? Have been very good that way. So if you guys are interested in picking up these COLIGHT LED off-road lights 3-inch, so all the links down low, guys, you can check out their website, you can check out the exact link to these exact lights, and if you do that, you can get 12% off using my discount code that I'll put up in the video, and I'll also put it down in the description. And I'm really happy with the lights so far. They look really good on the Civic. Oh, those are sick. So huge thank you again to COLIGHT for sending out these lights, and huge thank you to everybody who's watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more. We're gonna be sending this thing off-road again soon. And if you didn't catch the last off-road video, hence why it's so muddy, go check that one out because that was freaking nuts. But yeah, make sure you check out COLIGHT, guys. Some good products by them. One of my buddies actually bought like $300 in COLIGHT stuff, and he loved it, so that's also good to hear. So if you're interested, guys, links in the description, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.